Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am going to take class 6th and the chapter we are doing is mensuration. Mensuration में हम लोग कर रहे थे exercise 10.3. In that today we will do question number 11. In this question also we have to do just like question number 10th. मीन्स हमें फिगर को स्प्लिट करना है इनटू रेक्टेंगल. उसके बाद उस रेक्टेंगल का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है एंड आफ्टर दैट उन दोनों को ऐड करके टोटल 2 या 3 जितने भी रेक्टेंगल्स हमारे बनेंगे टोटल एरिया हमें फाइंड आउट करना है किसका, फिगर का. ओके, लेट्स सी हियर, दिस इज ए पार्ट. नाउ इन दिस स्प्लिट द फिगर इनटू रेक्टेंगल्स एंड फाइंड देयर एरियाज. सी द फर्स्ट वन इज गिवन ओवर हियर. अब ये आपको डॉटेड लाइन दी नहीं है, आपको इस एल को जो है टू पार्ट्स ही होंगे इसके, टू रेक्टेंगल्स में हम इसको डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. Either you can put this dash here और अगर ये नहीं करना आप यहाँ पे भी कर सकते हैं, whatever. तो I have done here means this is the first one and this is the second rectangle, right? Now let's find out the area. तो area of rectangle 1, area of rectangle 1 is equal to what? Length into breadth. What is your L? Write in bracket your L is, L कितना है इस rectangle का? This is 2, तो this is also 2. So L is 2 and breadth हमारा कितना है? Breadth is equal to 12. This one is 12. That means ये पूरा हमारा कितना हो जाएगा? 12 हो जाएगा. That is equal to 2 into 12. This is in centimeter as they have given here. This is centimeter. This is equal to 24 square centimeter. Right? Let's come to the second one. That is area of rectangle second. Second rectangle का area देखेंगे. This your here your L is equal to how much? This is 8. तो ये भी आपका 8 है. तो this is 8 and breadth is given 2. B is equal to 2. So what will be it? L into B. तो ये हमारा आ गया 8 into 2. Both are in centimeter. That is equal to 16 square centimeter. Right, children? So what is the total? What is the total area of the figure? Total area of figure is equal to area of rectangle 1. Write down area of first plus second. दोनों का एरिया को हम ऐड कर लेंगे. What we will get? See, एक हमें कितना है? फर्स्ट का है 24 प्लस this one is 16. तो that is equal to how much? 6 plus 4 is 10. के 0 carry 1. This is 4. 40 square centimeter. 40 square centimeter. This is your answer. How much? 40 square centimeter. 40 square centimeter. So in this way we can do its A part. Let's come to its B part. In B part you can see here is your B part given. In B part what we will do, see, here you just make one line here and one dotted line here. So it will become one rectangle, yes, second one and third one. See, it becomes square. 7, 7, 7. तो ये भी 7, 7, 7, 7. Then this one is also 7. Okay, कर लेते हैं हम लोग. This is first, this is second and this is third. Right? So it will be equal to what? Area of this is square. Square first. That is side into side. That is equal to 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter. That is equal to 49 square centimeter. Now area of rectangle 2. That is equal to, see, what is the length? What is the length here? See, length is 7 and the total, yes, in this we have to do, see, till here it is 7, okay, till here it is 7, 7, 7, and this one is also 7. So 7 3s are 21. That is, what is the length? Length is 7 only, but breadth is how much? 21. 7 plus 7 plus 7. Okay, so L into B, that is equal to 7 into 21 centimeter. This is also centimeter. That is equal to 7 and 14 square centimeter, right? Let's come to the third one. So area of that is also a square, that is equal to side into side, that is equal to 7 into 7. Just now we have find out the same, that is equal to 49 square centimeter. So what is the area of complete figure? So area of figure B is equal to how much? Area of first, area of second and area of third, तीनों को हम ऐड कर देंगे. So 49 plus 147 plus 49 square centimeter. Everywhere you have to write. That is equal to, see, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 7, 8, 18 plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 5. Okay, 9, 9, 18, 18 plus 7 is 25, okay, 5, 2, 2, 4, 4, 8, 8, 12, 13, 14, okay, 4, carry 1, this is 245 square centimeter. Let's do again. This is 9, 9, 18, 18 and so children, it's 245 square centimeter. So in this way you have to do question number 11. One more part is given here, that is T is given to you. T is given to you. In T, what you have to do, you just make one dotted line here. तो ये आपका first का आ जाएगा और ये second का आ जाएगा. You can do by yourself. If you are getting any problem, just write in the comment box. Till then, goodbye children. Thank you and have a nice day. मिलते हैं अपनी next video में with the next new questions. Till then, bye.